Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about how to clone your voice. So now I am going to open the HD voice clone. Open this one and here try it free. Click on this. So here is a trick. Now you can open the email temp mail. Click on this website will give you the temporary email id and this will appear after few hours. Within 24 hours this email will lapse, and copy this email id and paste it here. Fill the name. You can fill your any name here. I fill Mandy and create a password. You can use this password or maybe change this. I will fill the password here. HD was play HD. Sorry, play HD at the rate 1234, and here is the dummy phone number 999 22 88879. Agree, and I'm not what. Click on this and click on sign up. Save this and go to back on this page and click on this verify your email address. Click on this. Now you have done, right? This is for individual and e-learning, and here you can put training video, educational video. Now this is ready. Now we are going to clone the voice. Click on cloning, voice cloning, create, and we are going to instant cloning. Only 30 seconds of audio needed. So here click on this one and click on next, and now you can record your voice, and I have some audio sample. I will click on this, and here is my voice cloning template voiceover folders. This one here I can click and check 14 second. We need 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 16 seconds. This one is I welcome that. So this one is okay. It's the 40-second duration. Click on this and open. Write Mandy mail voice, and this is finishing. It will take some time. So finish. Right. Use this voice. So here in my, I have prepared some sample video to make the audio. So in ChatGPT, I have create some intro video for topic on countermeasure sheet and open the ChatGPT. Here is already I have prepared so many audio samples to prepare on HD Play HD. So this is the voice over that I want to get from Play HD. Copy this, but we have to remove the space from this content. This one, and click on this and copy this. Control C again. Open the Play HD. DST in the another window. Paste it here and generate the speed. It took a little bit time. Now you can play it now and download it. This is so click on this to check the voice.
Welcome to our tutorial on countermeasure sheets or CMS. Let's take a look at the content we'll be covering in this session. We'll begin with an introduction to the countermeasure sheet, starting with what a CMS is.
So this is voice cloning and this is a sample. Right? This is all about how to prepare your own voice cloning content with the help of Play HD. So this is a beautiful website. You can use it for your personal and professional work.